Hey, so I'm gonna make a quick little tutorial video for you guys. So this is gonna be a carp setup. So you're gonna need a couple split shots, 3 to 5 split shots, a couple inches from the hook. Then you're gonna need a size 8 hook, and that's basically it for a simple setup. You just thread some corn through here. Here, let me add another one. So get that size 8 bait holder, put a couple pieces of corn on there, and have the hook exposed a bit, but you definitely don't want that hook to be too exposed because the carp will pick up on it. And then have some 10-15 pound line. I'm running a 15-pound braid with a 12-pound fluorocarbon leader. And what you want to do is cast out to the spot where you see them. It's definitely easy to sight fish for carp. And then just around where you cast it at, throw some corn out. And then the most important thing is patience. You really just have to wait. Carp will eventually come. The hardest thing is patience and not spooking them. So not getting too close to the bait or anything is super important. And yeah, keep the bail, open up the bail, make the bail, have the line be loose, and don't have the drag super loose. So keep the drag kind of medium, medium to tight, and then loosen it up as you're in the fight. Carp will generally just self kind of set themselves, but you can always set the hook while you're fighting them in the beginning to make sure it's really in there. But carp will usually run off and the hook will just get embedded into their mouth. So that's what I've generally found happens. And yeah, you don't want the line too tight here because they'll definitely pick up on that when they pick up the bait. The most important thing is that the bait just seems really natural to them. They can pick it up, they don't feel the hook, and they don't feel the line, they don't feel the tightness of the line. And you'll have one real soon. And yeah, I definitely recommend just throwing it out, chumming some bait around, and having them kind of pick it up on it themselves. You can usually walk around the bank, especially now when it's a little bit warmer, and you can just see them swimming around eating. So don't throw it directly on top of them, throw it to the side of them, and then they'll slowly move in towards it as they see the corn. Corn is just super appealing to them, super high visibility, and that's all you need. That's a simple rig with just some split shots and a size 8 hook on the end. So that's all you basically need. Let me know if I missed out on anything, any other questions you guys have, and see you guys next time.